Hey everyone, today we are seeing types of fraction. There are 4 types of fractions generally used. The first one is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number, and equivalent fraction. As you all remember, the top one is numerator in the fraction and the bottom one is denominator. It's called denominator. Let's see what are proper fraction. In proper fractions, the numerator, which is on the top, is always smaller than the denominator. So 1 is less than 2, 3 less than 4, 5 less than 8. So they all are called proper fraction. In improper fraction, the numerator, which is on the top, is greater than denominator. So it's opposite to proper. 9 greater than 5, 3 greater than 2, 9 greater than 4. So in proper, numerator is smaller. In improper, numerator is greater. Let's look at the third type of fractions, which is mixed fraction. Here, as the name sounds, it has a whole part and a fraction part. It's a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. So here 2 is whole number and 2/3 is my fraction part. You can see here what it means is there are two whole fractions shaded and then 2/3 is shaded. Let's look at the second one here. 3 whole parts are shaded and then in the fourth one there is 1 out of 6 parts shaded. Let's see the fourth one, which is equivalent fraction. These are the fractions which have same value. Let's say I take the example of 1/4 and I times it by 2. I get 2/8, which means they both are equal. Whatever I do to the top, I do the same to the bottom. 3/5 is equal to 6/10. Let's look some examples here, which is for equivalent fraction. Let's say I have 8/12. If I divide both of them, 8 by 12 by 2, I'll end up with 4/6. If I divide 4/6 by 2, I end up with 2/3. So it can be I can be timesing it, dividing it by any number, but I have to be careful that I do it same. If I times 2/3 by 3 on the top, it should also be the 3 on the bottom. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 6/9 is also equal to 2/3. Let's do some examples here. So from 12 to 2, what's happening? I have a missing one here, so I'm going this way. 12 to 2 is divided by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. So this is half. From 10 to 4, because the missing one is here, I'm going this way. Times it by 4, I get 40. Whatever I do to the bottom, same to the top. Times by 4, 20. So let's look at the next one, which is from 24 to 3. I'm dividing it by 8. So divide 32 by 8 is 4. Now 12 to 36, times it by 3. 9 3s are 27. Let's do some more. I'll do the one column. The second column is for your homework. So 3 to 21, I'm timesing it by 7. Or if I go this way, I can go the other way around, so to make it easy. 21 to 3 is divided by 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So I'm missing here, so I should come this way. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Times by 9 is 18. So whatever always remember, you can go the any way, but left or right to left, but you have to be very careful to do the same thing. Whatever you do on the top, bottom same. So whatever you do numerator, denominator, you have to do the same. If you do something to the denominator, you have to do the same thing to numerator. So the second column is for your homework. Make sure you do it and comment down the answers. Thank you. Bye bye.